can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Going on our daily commute.
I'm feeling tired today. How about you, Mariah?
So tired. Everything hurts. All my limbs are like, they're so heavy. Everything's heavy.
It's a bit of one of them days. We've worked hard the last few days. I've got a few bits and pieces to do, taking some stuff out of the engine room, and then we're going to do a tip run. Mariah's going to finish off her scraping.
Yeah.
Anything else to add?
No.
Carry on. We'll get somewhere. We have finished our jobbies and I've just tidied up the deck here. We've got to get all of this stuff, including all these bags of gunk, down off the ship, which is about a 4-meter drop. Gonna have lunch first and then do that.
These guys are working on their boats. They are here every single day as well. And then there's a boat park that a team of like 4 or 5 people is working on at the minute. And then of course we have the main company. They are working on something inside there as well. This is where all the magic happens.
What the fuck is that? Annoying afternoon. So we ran out of time and we're doing a tip run, packed the van full of all the rank gunk bags.
Leaking.
And then we were like, oh, okay, it's 4:20, tip closes in like 10 minutes, so we've got to run. Then we couldn't find the key. Looked all over for the key and then realised we were going to miss the tip deadline, and then concluded that the only place the key could be is underneath all the bags of rubbish that we put in the van. So we unpacked everything and then there was the key. And now we're going to go home and I'm going to buy Mariah a coffee.
Oh, that's nice.
This is the moment you really need a coffee.
I look like a street boy.
You look very beautiful, but also like...
Where's this going?
You are a chimney sweep.
Yeah. It's a street boy in 30s.
Yeah. Well, very nice eyes though for a street boy.
Don't try to flirt with me right now. Give me a coffee.
Right. Okay. New day tomorrow. Are you refreshed after coffee?
No.
How thrilled are you out of 10 that I'm filming you right now?
I can't explain it in a number.
A minus number.
Well, that would still be a number.
I love you. You look very sexy, albeit dirty. Excuse me. If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.